Hi there everyone, thank you for dropping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you an eyeshadow look, but before that, let me just do my eyebrows using this chocolate palette from EB Advance. Yan. So we're just going to take that shade for our eyebrows and let's just clean the edge with this concealer from Maybelline. Ayan, para mas pakak ang ating eyebrows. And then after this one, we will apply all over the eyelid to serve as our primer, and then we'll set it with a powder. Now for the eyeshadow look that we will be making, I will be using this EB Advance Eyeconic, and I'm taking that brown shade as my transition color. There you go guys, you can see it already. So just blend it up from outer corner to inner corner, and then just repeat the blending technique that I am doing, but you can also have your own technique. This is just my own preference, so you can also have your own technique. I'm almost done with my transition color. Now I'm taking this shade and I will be applying it on my lid using my finger. It's time for eyeliner, so I'm going to take this LA Girl gel eyeliner in black, and I will just create a simple wing eyeliner. Now I'm going to take this shade and then smudge it just above the eyeliner that I created. I just want to intensify my eyeliner, so I'm going to use Careline liquid eyeliner. Using the same shade, I will be applying it under my eye in order to balance the eye look. Now I'm going to smudge with this smudger, and then I'm going to take my eyeliner in deep brown to tightline my lash line. I'm going to use this on my upper lash line and lower lash line. To create a more dramatic eye look, I will be using fake lashes. It's time for mascara, so I'm going to use this Nu Skin Lash Mascara, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lashes. We're almost done guys. I'm just going to finish this with this shade, applying it on my inner corner. And here it is guys. Here's our final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. And if you have some suggestions or comments, feel free to write it on our comment section. I really appreciate it much, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!